we visited a brick factory in the Netherlands that is over 100 years old. The Vogelensangh factory was constructed in 1918 to 1919 by the Derricks and Geldens Company in response to the rapidly increasing demand for bricks in housing construction. Here, you can observe the processing of the clay. The factory consists of a pressing building and a coal-fired ring kiln. The clay used for Vogelensangh bricks is delivered by truck. Various layers of clay are deposited on the clay heap. The excavator scrapes small layers of clay from the heap and dumps them onto the conveyor belt. In the factory, the clay is further mixed, moistened, and then molded into shape. Every brick that is made is unique. Some processes are automated to increase production. After shaping, the bricks are taken to the drying area, where they lie for at least 6 days. The temperature in the drying area ranges from 50 to 75 degrees Celsius. The warm air for drying is supplied from the ring oven and, if necessary, additionally heated. This way, the heat from the ring oven is recycled. Approximately 40,000 bricks are produced per day. The bricks are baked in the only coal-fired ring oven in the Netherlands. The pallet of bricks is driven into one of the 20 ports. Subsequently, the fire in the ring oven completes a full circle over 10 days, baking the bricks at a temperature of around 1060 degrees Celsius. This temperature is achieved as the stokers continuously throw coal into the oven through the firing holes day and night. Once the bricks have cooled, they are taken out of the oven. In this factory, they do not use dyes. The bricks acquire a unique color through the firing process. The sorter manually categorizes the bricks by color, creating a unique selection for each project. From warm red to yellow or bluish, the range varies.